Welcome back to another HoliYAY giveaway. Today's giveaway item is the returned Anastasia Beverly Hills Times with Axe Amrezy highlighter. I am obsessed with this highlighter. I actually did a giveaway with this and I had no recollection of that until I was looking through my videos the other day, but it's so good. We're doing another one because it was limited edition. It is back. I don't know if it's permanent or not, but I snagged some up for you guys. This highlighter is amazing. One of my absolute favorite highlighters. I have it in my kit and I have it for personal use, and now I have backups because I'm a crazy person. This is what the highlighter inside looks like. It's such a pretty like warm-ish gold champagne shade. I say warm-ish because it just has enough warmth to not look ashy or chalky on the skin, but it really is still bright. And you can either wear it as a subtle highlight, you can really amp it up and make it like a spotlight beaming blinding highlight. It looks amazing on the eyes. If you do have super deep rich skin, it might show up chalky. I would blend this in with other highlighters or use this just as a spotlight kind of effect, or on the eyes. And if you have super fair skin, you can do the same thing and mix it in with a highlighter that just works better for you. And of course use this on your cheeks, use it on your eyes, use it on your lips, use it however the heck you want. Super into it, and hopefully two of you guys will be too. So to enter the giveaway, for those of you guys who know, I'm sorry, I do this every time just so that in case you don't know, now you know. All the info for the giveaway will be in the info box down below, so check that out. But pretty much you have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube, following me on Instagram, and at the end of every video I ask a question. Each question is different for each video, and you guys have to answer with your personal responses in the comments down below. Each giveaway will be open for a few days, and in your comments down below, make sure to leave your Instagram handle or your email if you don't have an Instagram, so that if you are a winner, I have a way of contacting you. But it's your personal answer, and I'm sorry for all my international viewers. Right now, this giveaway is not for you guys yet, but hopefully soon I will have it sorted out and I can get you guys some giveaway goodies at some point very soon, knock on wood. But for now, my US viewers, my question for you guys is, what is your favorite place to shop for clothing? For me personally, I would say my most frequently shopped places are like Dick's Sporting Goods or Target. I buy stuff at Nordstrom, at Zara, at Lord & Taylor. I don't actually buy clothes super frequently. I usually am wearing the same version of an outfit every single day with like small variations, but I wear a lot of athleisure. Like I'm constantly wearing workout pants with a top. Even if I'm going somewhere specific or wearing makeup and I'm not just running errands, I'm usually wearing like leggings and a top, joggers and a top, leggings and a sweatshirt. So I really love like cool athletic clothing that I can wear to work out but also casually. And I also actually buy clothes frequently at Target, okay? They have really good stuff, and I'm at Target a lot for no reason, and so I find that I'm frequently buying things from Target. I do love like Nordstrom, and I love other places also, but if I'm being honest, like if I really think about a day-to-day basis, I'm primarily wearing athletic wear and or Target in some variation with like Topshop jeans. So really my answer is terrible. That's my answer. It makes no sense. And it's not clear cut. I'm sorry. But that's it for today's giveaway. I look forward to seeing where you guys like to shop though. And good luck for the giveaway, guys. Stay tuned for tons more giveaways coming your way. But until my next video, thank you guys as always so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.